Hello and good morning, guys. Welcome to the live stream today. Man, I will say the S&P 500 is having a rough go at it this morning. We are moving to the upside all the way back up to the key resistance level around $380. But that $380 resistance level seems to be holding up in a pretty big way, at least for right now. So keep your eyes on 380. That is a huge resistance there, and we are moving back down off of it once again. Now, keep in mind, guys, it looks like on Tuesday, I was going to say Monday because it was the first day of the week, but on Tuesday, you can kind of see how the SPY gapped up in the morning and then started falling back off at open. I hope that that's not the case here today, but I would not be surprised if that is what happened. Looking at the market overall here, it's just very flat here so far at open, not really getting any big runners, any big losers, nothing too crazy, but Tesla is actually back up into the green again, up 4%. They are pulling back down a little bit now, but Tesla's up, Coinbase is moving, Beyond Meat is up, Rivian's actually up in the green too, so very nice day so far for the growth stocks and for tech. You can see Nvidia is up a lot as well. They would have actually looked a lot better minus the move down here at open now, but man, we had that big gap up and now stocks are pulling back. They are not continuing that move to the upside. And am I surprised? Kind of, not really. I would lean more towards not really because of, all the selling going on recently. Just seems like anytime we start to move up, we just tank right back off. Pretty insane. Wow, 0.76% on the SPY to the upside. It's actually not bad, Not a bad day. PayPal's not looking too bad either. Apple looks okay. Apple needs to get back up above 130, guys. Poor Apple here, jeez. What kind of line are we at here? Oh, I see. Apple puts. Oh. Man, my Apple puts. Come on. Come on, Apple. Don't go closer to 130. Uh-oh. That's a pretty big green candle back up there, guys. Oh, man. Wow. Good stuff, Apple. DraftKings. What about Microsoft, guys? Wow, look at Microsoft moving. That one's up kind of like Apple is. A lot of momentum here today on those stocks. A lot of momentum. Good to see. Finally getting some green coming back in. There we go. Gotta love it. Man, we've just been selling off day after day after day. It's just, I'm just glad to get some green. The sad part was most of the green came in pre-market for most stocks. Most of them aren't really even moving here. Disney's moving today, but like Nvidia, for example, all they did was run up in pre-market. Now they're falling off. But hey, at least Disney, Apple, and a couple others are doing good still. See what AMC looks like. And hey, I apologize, guys, if I sound a little bit different today or something like that. I am a little bit sick, so just keep that in mind. Nothing too crazy, but, woke up with some minor issues, I guess we could say. Warren says, I have Apple puts. Rip to me. Oh, man, Warren. When did you enter those puts? I'll say I've been in the puts for a while. Let me see. Damn it. Just keeps going down. I'm only up 10% on them now. Man, I was up like 80% on them heading into this day, though. Heading into this morning. The hell? At least I was up like 40 or 50% at minimum. Yeah, they just keep getting decayed. Don't worry though, Warren. I think Apple will still be going down here. Even if we do get a couple days of green, I think that we'll still see red overall. That was just an insane move yesterday, guys. That move on Apple was nuts to the downside. It really was. For Apple, that was a big red candle. Can't remember the exact percentage, but it was a big day for the big tech stock. Hopefully it runs up to 130, rejects, and then tanks off again. That would be nice. I'm into the puts too, Warren, but keep in mind I'm holding mine for a while. Bill says Apple call. Yeah, I'm with you, Bill. Intraday, Apple calls are the way to go. At least maybe not right now, but they have been. They definitely have been so far. Microsoft still looking nice and hot for us. What else we have moving up here today? Some safer stocks or bigger movers. Netflix. Wow, Netflix had a big jump. They're up 3.09%, better than most. Tessie's up 6%, and they're actually not even moving well. It could be better, I guess. The growth stocks like Plug Power are moving. Okay. Chris says jobless claims climbed by 9,000 to 225,000, more than expected. Did it? Let's see. Let's go look here on the calendar. Oh, wow, it did. Yeah, it did. That's good, though. That's good. I think we need these claims to start going up. That way it can help inflation a little bit. So, yeah, I guess that's good to see them moving up. Right? I know it doesn't sound good. Like, oh, you want jobless claims to go up. Like, you want people to lose their jobs. It's like, yeah, kind of. Wow, so Bill bought an Apple Call It Open and sold for 40%. Nice, Bill. That's awesome. Good stuff, good stuff. 40%. I mean, hey, you'll always take that, right? Bill, didn't you make 40% on Apple calls yesterday, was it? I thought you traded Apple yesterday, too. Maybe you traded puts, but... Yeah, XX, nice. Tesla is doing amazing, aren't they? TSLA. Wow, look at that green movement, guys. More green momentum. Almost up to the high of pre-market around 121. Definitely watch this. This is awesome. Let's go. Let's go, Tesla. All right, Tessie. Man. $121. What a play. Chris says Apple, Microsoft, Tesla has to fall more to put an end to this and call a bottom. Hoping in February. Uh-oh. Dang, I'm sure hoping so too, Chris. Hopefully February we're done with all this. I have a feeling this is going to go out longer. It's going to end up being more of a longer term thing. XX says, I think I'm going to buy a call on Tesla. Nice, XX. Here's what I'll say. I like it. Just, I would make it break this resistance here. That's what I would do. Maybe make it break that resistance and then scalp it really, really quickly. That might be the way to go there. You know, that's a big resistance. If we end up bouncing off that and we don't recover, those calls are going to look brutal, but... Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm a little bit sick today, so sorry if my voice is off a little bit. Bill says Apple will test 130 AAPL. Whew. I bet we will, Bill. We probably will. Yeah, 130's right up here. $130 is going to be a big level. I mean, a huge level for Apple. So, yeah, we'll have to see if it can break up above that or not. 130. Come on. I need a nice rejection there. Good old rejection. Gotta love it, right? See, we got moving with the SM bot here today. See what we got going. Wow, Apple calls, Netflix calls, Microsoft calls. It's been a long time since the bot's been calling this out. Woo. Wow. That's awesome. The only one it missed was Tesla. That's it. Tesla's still above that, or still right at the resistance. Look at that. Right at 121. 121. Definitely going to be a big level there. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. My Thinkorswim's making me relog in. Are you kidding me? I got to relog in. Hey, there we go. There's the break, guys. Look at Tesla getting that nice momentum to the upside. Let's go. Let's go, Tesla. Above 120. That's awesome, guys. Seriously, that's cool. Let's go. Whoa, what happened? Whoa. Sorry, guys. I don't even know what I just clicked. I clicked something else and it brought that up somehow. That's insane, but wow, a lot of momentum. It broke momentarily. Uh-oh, is it gonna fake us? I sure hope not. Uh-oh, Apple's coming down now. I'm sure it's not done going up though on the day, but definitely turning over a little bit as of now. Wow. Terrible, guys. Wow. Come on, Tesla, get up there, get in the green. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We're going to make a lot of people happy if you can stay green like that today. There's just been so much red. Like, we need some green to come in, right? It's been a long time. Like, let's look at Apple on the daily chart. I mean, it's just been selling off nonstop recently. Tesla's been even worse. I've been looking for Apple to start to move kind of like Tesla. Maybe not quite as bad, of course, but, you know, having some good moves. Yeah, I would say Tesla goes green, though. Given all the selling we've been seeing and the way it's starting to pop back up here looks pretty damn convincing. I like that little dip down today as well in test of 118. I thought that looks cool. But yeah, nice. I think that those calls will end up doing well. Bill says he thinks I talked about Apple approaching 120. Let me see, 120, 120. Yeah, I probably did. That's a pretty big level there, like 120 to like 121 or something. Yeah, I probably said that. That sounds realistic to me. 120 would be very nice if we could get down there with Apple, but we'll have to see over the next couple days. If we get too much green coming back in, it'll make it really hard, that's for sure. We can't have too much green coming in now. Not too much. Let's see. Go back to the SM bot real quick. See what we got running there. Meta calls, Netflix calls, Square calls. Square. Whoa, Square. Square. I like this. I've been eyeing up Square for a long time now. Man, it's just been stuck down here. Is this finally what we are going to get, Square? A nice move? We're going to start breaking out? It'd be beautiful if we did, but... You guys like Square too? I think it's setting up pretty well here on the daily. Wow, look at this intraday pop too. Man, Square has been straight up today. SPY looks beautiful on the 5-minute chart. Wow. Bill says he's looking for that at the next interest rate hike. Oh, shit. Bill, when is that hike? I think it's all the way in like February, isn't it? Let's go see. Yeah, February 1st. Okay. Like 2 months away. I know that they make us wait longer throughout the holidays than they usually do. I remember that. Looking at the calendar and stuff like that recently, that's what I've noticed. I appreciate you guys liking the stream and everything like that, so thank you there. Appreciate all the likes, all the comments. If you guys are seeing any amazing stocks or anything like that, let me know and we can check them out. Kind of like what Chris just did. You know, PayPal getting the $71 resistance. Always cool to see stuff like that. Yeah, 70, 71. There's a lot of big levels coming up on PayPal here. Wow. 71st, 71 after that. Hopefully it ends up being a good week for good old PayPal. I know that there was some pretty good news regarding PayPal, I guess. I saw that the government's not going to be requiring them to submit as much tax information, I guess you could say, on purchases over $600 as they had originally planned to do. I thought that was kind of nice. They said they're using this as a transition period, so. Ah, Chris. He says, look at the donkey go. DKNG. Uh-oh. Wow, there we go. Thank God for that, Chris, right? Thank God for this move. Get back in the positive, DraftKings. Come on. It's actually a really good move. Let's go, donkey. I like it. Donkey. It makes me think of like Shrek or some shit. Oh, Shrek. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. Hang on, guys. I gotta cough for a second. Sorry. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, guys. Sorry about that. Had to go cough my brains out and grab a quick drink. More of just cough my brains out. I was here the whole time. You guys probably saw me typing on the screen a little bit. Do you guys remember good old Donkey Horse at all with WKHS? I remember Cornish was calling this one Donkey Horse back in the day. I feel really bad, actually. Donkey Horse is down so much. I just can't even believe it, actually. Like, man, I don't know if you guys remember Cornish talking about this one or not, but Donkey Horse being down this much is just insane. It really is. I can't believe it's down that much. That is a lot to be down. Well, thanks a lot, Donkey Horse. I guess they're not as good as people thought. Damn. Yeah, that's pretty rough, though. Look at that move all the way to the downside. 1.50. That is a huge drop down. I remember whenever we were talking about buying this one at $6, guys. $6. Now it's at 1.50. Utterly insane. SPY. SPY's almost up to 382. Big resistance up there on SPY. QQQ or the NASDAQ up to 265, which is actually kind of a big resistance for them, which is cool. Let's see AMD here. I know Peter kept making fun of my charts last night. Had me kind of laughing with that. AMD, man. Had a big jump today, but it's like not breaking the upper resistance. Like, it probably will, but for now, it's just sitting here. Come on, AMD, get up there. Let's go see Tessie again. Tesla. Okay. Tried to run up still and then kind of got stuck. Starting to move back down now a little bit more. Couple big red candles coming in. Are we going to push below 120? Seems like it's going to turn over now, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see if it turns over or not. Palantir. 4.12%, guys. That is awesome. Let's go. Palantir's not bad at all. We'll take that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, Palantir. Don't start falling over on us, though. Whoa, Beyond Meat's up 14%. Whoa, what do we have going on with this one? Dang, Beyond. Wow. That's pretty crazy there. That's pretty... We're up 14% on Beyond Meat. And it hasn't even made a dent into the daily chart. Just barely up. Small green candle to the upside. Really no movement, though. Honestly, like nothing. Pretty insane. No real movement. Wow. Good job, Beyond. Help us out now. What else we got besides Beyond here? Tesla. Making a poll for you guys here. Okay. All right, guys. I just threw out the poll for you for Tesla. Wow, Nice says to the moon by 4 p.m. today. Wow, I know what you're voting for in the poll then. I know what you're voting for. The poll's about Tesla, of course, so check it out if you want to. But yeah, right there, Tesla looking okay. I mean, we're getting a lot of momentum, guys. It's just it's not sticking around really. Been kind of choppy, a lot of up and down momentum. We need to get some real momentum that sticks. Momentum that sticks. Wow, Apple actually got pretty close to resistance and is actually rejecting in a pretty damn bad way. Not good. Hopefully it can get up above 130 here. Hopefully we just have like a little dip down before we, explode back up. That'd be nice. Hopefully we do this. Ha, that'd be cool. Sometimes those drawings actually work out great. Hey, see ya, Krish. Have a great night. Hope you sleep well, Krish. For anyone who doesn't know, Krish is obviously in, I believe, India, right, Krish? She's in, yeah, they're in India. Pretty cool. Pretty cool there. But yeah, have a great night, Krish. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully you wake up to some nice green when you wake up. Hopefully you don't wake up and the SPY's back below 380. That would suck. Dang, that push above 380 there was great, though. Good stuff. Great stuff, actually. How's Pfizer? Let's go, Pfizer! Let's go! Let's see what Mike had on Amazon here, if it can power through the 8350 resistance. Likes it for calls. That's awesome, though. Amazon's moving up. It's looking okay. Pfizer's trying. Pfizer got the breakout. Come on, Pfizer. Keep running. Stay up for us here today. That'd be beautiful. Pfizer, wow. What about Moderna? How are they doing today? Pretty good, too. That's nice, at least. At least they're both doing well. If you guys are seeing any stocks, let me know what you're watching. We'll check it out. Find the good ones running here today. Donkey, Why do you call it donkey again? Bill called this donkey. It had me dying earlier. I guess because of the name. That's funny, donkey. I'll never forget Cornish talking about donkey horse. That was seriously something else. You guys should go at Cornish in the Discord and say, how's donkey horse doing? I bet you'd make him laugh. He'll probably be like, wow, I haven't heard that in forever. That would be funny. Wow, yeah, DraftKings, though, right off support. Right off of support. It's actually really good. Man, I'm trying to get my average price really low on DraftKings. It's just low. It's just hard to get it low enough with the stock like this. It's been a brutal stock lately, though. Can't lie about that. How are some of these credit card companies doing, like Visa, MA, MasterCard? What about JP Morgan and the banks? Ha! They're actually red today. Wow, yeah, JP Morgan looks rough today. Bank of America does too. Wells Fargo. Man, that's pretty crazy. They're not doing anything. Not good there. Amazon, come on, let's go. Let's get a big break up. Big break to the upside here. Good old Amazon. Palantir, okay. Come on, Palantir. Get up there for us. That's rough. For Palantir there. What about Kellogg's? Kellogg's. That's funny. Tilray's moving good, though. Good old Tilray, the marijuana, popping up a little. Man, I can't believe Tilray made a new recent low again. Man, that sucks. These MJ stocks have been very tough to play lately, guys. Pretty tough. AP says, thoughts on Amazon? Yeah, let's see. So far today, Amazon's been running up, but it's like right at resistance here. Like 83.60 is a pretty big level. I would say if we could break 83.60, then I would look at it to the upside. Mike had 83.50 this morning, but after watching it on like the 1 minute charts, I'm just going to look at 83.60. I'm looking at this chart here today, and there was no real like 1 minute breaks or like no real closes above 83.50. Mainly the candles like all stayed under it. So I'm really looking right now for another continuation, though. It looks hot. One of the better stocks today. If it can break 83.60, I think we could have a serious breakout on our hands here. It could end up being pretty good, I think. Yeah, pretty good. Oh, I pressed that wrong button again. It keeps bringing up the stream tool on YouTube. It's funny. Whoa. Wow. Come on, Amazon. Let's go. I'm just going to eye this up for a second. Be right back, guys. Like I said, a little bit sick today. Got to go blow my nose real quick. Stick around, though, and let me know your favorite stock. Don't forget to vote in the poll. Don't forget to vote in the poll. That'd be awesome to see. 6 votes so far. Come on, guys. Let's pump those numbers up. We got to get more votes. It's just Tesla, right? If you don't like it, you could always vote for Tesla sucks. Whoa, let's go. It's breaking now. All right, there we go, Amazon. Come on, let's go. Get up there. Get a breakout. It can't break 83.60. What's going on? Ah. A lot of resistance here. It still looks hot, though, I think. A lot of resistance, but it looks good. Still looks good in my eyes. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. Bumped the mic there. Dang, 83.60's holding up. We don't want that to happen, guys. No, no, no. That is not what you want. Tesla looks pretty hot, though. Can't lie about this one. This one looks good. Hopefully this one doesn't reject. Come on, let's break out. Break out above 121.40. I know Tesla can. I know it can. Come on, Tessie, let's go. We gotta get higher, man. Gotta get up there. Hey, good morning, Square. Thanks for joining up here today. Check out the poll if you haven't yet, Square. It's pretty cool. Good old Tesla. Nice says Tesla's playing hard to get. Yeah, yeah, it is. Really hard to get. Need to get up there. There it is, guys. There's the breakout. There we go. That's what we were waiting for. That's what we were waiting for. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Big jump up. Tesla really had a good move. Come on. Let's see it with Amazon now. In the chat, Cornish said MU is having a day. Micron, okay. Yeah, I see it. It does actually look good. Or it is having a day. $50.50. Not bad right there. Micron Technology breaking out. Let's see it on the daily. Wow, they're real low on the daily, but bounce right off support. Like easy double bottom there on MU. Pretty nice. Hang on, guys. I gotta declutter my screen here. I promised Peter last night on YouTube I would declutter it. Gotta get these drawings off of here. Some of them. I guess it's just too much. Just too much. I don't want to get rid of some. They're my levels. Oh, I'm deleting all my levels. Does it look better? I don't even think it looks much better, man. Now my levels are gone forever. Great. All right, Tessie, did you fake out on us? Kinda. Tessie doesn't want to be nice to us today. Hey, nice. Thanks for voting. Thank you guys there. 9 votes. Wow, people are really looking for Tesla to push higher here. Let's go. Sentiments are high. Come on, let's go. Let's see a nice push. Amazon. There we go. There's the breakout with Amazon, baby. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Up above 83.60. Congrats to everyone playing that free day trade today. That's awesome. Let's go. Let's kill it. Killing it on that play. Let's go. Man, I will say Apple had a pretty weird intraday pullback compared to Amazon. I still see Apple falling off more, just not today, considering everything's going green. Not today, of course. Still below 130, though. All right, let's get a bigger push now. Let's get a bigger push today. We need to get higher. Need to run to the upside more. Let's go, Amazon. I'm still liking the candles here, guys, even if we dip back down momentarily. Unless this is just like the fake out of a lifetime. It might be. It might be just that. Hopefully it's not, but I think we'll still end up moving good here soon. Hopefully we can bounce off this level that was hard to break, like 83.60. That was setting up there for a few minutes right here at the top. Pretty damn good. You could tell it was really wanting to break out. It really wanted to. What is this? Snow's giving on Discord. What the? I guess that's cool. All right, let's see if we can get that nice bounce back up, guys. This might be a good entry point. It might be a good entry point right here if you're looking for that break. You know, we might get a nice confirmation. Might get a nice move up. Whew. I like that touch there. Yeah, that's awesome, guys. That touch is looking good. Look at that. Come on, Amazon. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Break out. Get up above 8380. Come on. We need some higher pushes here. Come on. You can't touch like that and not go now. Ooh. Come on. Let's go. Amazon. That's awesome. Got the break. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a higher move. I wonder how high we could get today. We're already up 2.4%, breaking out a little bit. We're like right around resistance, though. There is some resistance here. Like right here on Amazon. So it is a little bit worrying here, but man, that little breakout there was cool. Solid break. Take the solid movement. Tesla's pushing P. Haha, that's awesome. It's pushing P. Oh my gosh, guys. It is pushing P. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Big breakout. It's a big break. That's awesome, though. Keep going. Let's go. Getting some good movement. I'll take this over the negative movement we've been having. That's 100% sure. Drinking my Powerade Power Water this morning. Oh, don't do that to us, Amazon. Oh. Don't be doing that. Come on, hold 8360. There we go. That was quick. That was a quick turnaround. 1 minute candles can be scary to look at sometimes, though, you know. Things are flying up and down nonstop. Uh-oh. Spies back up the resistance. Hey, JG Marine says, what happens when a stock gets delisted? JG, it's unfortunate, but you actually lose your money on that one. Yeah. JG, you'll either lose your money, or if it gets delisted from like the NYSE, your shares might transfer over to the OTC exchange, if that makes sense. That can happen too. I've also seen it where companies get delisted and people lose money. So keep that in mind too, JG. The risk of getting delisted is very scary in the stock market. Seen people lose a lot of money. I'm pretty sure though you'll lose that investment if that happens, unless it goes over to the OTC market. Because I've seen people lose like I've held weird penny stocks in the past, like whenever I was new. I've held new penny stocks, and well, not new penny stocks, weird penny stocks, and every once in a while they would get delisted because they wouldn't meet the criteria to stay on the NYSE. For example, they would stay under $1 for a certain amount of time, or they didn't file their paperwork correctly, or there's a few different scenarios that can happen there, and companies have to keep up to a certain standard to stay on these exchanges, like the NASDAQ or the S&P 500. Like, remember when Tesla got added to the S&P 500 just a little while ago? But the main thing is it can get delisted if it does happen. Oh shit. Yeah, okay. They received a compliance report. So what will probably happen in Party City's case, they might go to the OTC market. So right now they're listed on the NYSE. They might get delisted and put onto the OTC market, or they might get delisted and you might get screwed. So keep that in mind. I'm not sure I'd keep too much in this one. Let's look it up, because I haven't had it happen in a long time. Okay. So yeah, it says that it'll probably go to the OTC market. That's what I thought. Let's see what the Motley Fool has to say. Okay. They received blah, blah, blah. They have to remedy. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So it looks like it'll just go to the OTC market like I thought. That'll be what usually happens. But like it says here, being delisted carries a stigma and is generally a sign that a company is bankrupt, near bankrupt, or can't meet the exchange's financial requirements for other reasons. Delisting also prompts institutional investors to not invest. So, interesting. Interesting stuff. But yeah, OTC market, that's what I thought. So usually you'll still be able to trade those shares on the OTC. They could always turn things around and, do well and get put back onto a bigger exchange. But, in Party City's case, I just don't know. I feel like this company's going under. I've just got to say that. It just doesn't seem good anymore. Ugh. There's a couple others that worry me a little bit too, like BBBY. Bed Bath & Beyond's another one. They're going to be getting a notice in a couple of years too if they don't turn it around. Oh, look at this stock. It's been all over. I know they did well with that AMC craze, but man, besides that, it's been brutal for Bed Bath & Beyond. Man, do you guys remember that guy who... He was in our Discord. He was trading Nokia. He was trading NOK options. He made $1 million. He had like 50 grand in the Nokia whenever it exploded up. And it exploded, and the guy did not sell. He didn't sell out at all. It was insane. He was up $1 million at one point, and yeah, he didn't sell. That was insane. I could not believe it. I could not believe it. His whole argument for Nokia, he kept saying Nokia has patents and they get paid by their patents. And I'm like, I'm sitting there in my head and I'm thinking you're arguing Nokia is great because they get paid from patents that they have, but they don't have any good products. Like let's go see Nokia products for sale. Like, let's see what we got here. Like, do people really use these phones? Like, I've never heard of anyone using these phones in my entire life. Like, never. Isn't Nokia big with, like, cameras? Or is that, like, Nikon or something? I think it's Nikon, but wow. Yeah, I mean, like, guys, like, I've never seen anyone use these. Like, ever. Look at this. Guys, let's... I want this phone. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of like 1999 again, guys. I can't believe that they actually still have these. Nice says old people might use them. Yeah, you know, that's a good point. You know, yeah. This would be used by old people. You're right. Yeah, you're probably right about that. I could see that. But man, it's just, I don't know, you know, it's just not the best stock. Had a good run there. Yeah, I had a good run, Square. Square, were you here whenever his name was Icy Pro? Do you remember when Icy Pro made $1 million on that? Yeah. Yeah, he lost it all. Nice. He might have locked in a little bit, but man, I think he lost it all. He kept saying he was gonna hold it until it went higher. He really thought that it would be worth a lot more, actually. He thought it would be way higher than it is now. He kept saying that they were developing like 5G stuff and 6G, I believe, and he said that they had like a lot of 5G patents and all this stuff that would help him out. And it might, but you know, like whenever I think of tech companies, I don't think of, you know, I invest in them because they have patents. I usually think of, you know, I usually think of something like Apple, you know, like coming out with new phones that are super popular, or like Nvidia, you know, like making something crazy like graphics cards, or even something like MU, for example, someone making like memory chips and stuff. Like even that, you know, at least they're making chips. They're not like relying on patents usually. You know, I feel like Nokia has just fallen off the board as far as popularity goes. Like I'll be honest, the only two phones I ever see people using are Samsung and Apple. There might be a few others, obviously, but like in the United States, I feel like the market share is all towards Apple and Samsung in that regards. Yeah, B Square says I didn't see it. Says he feels bad. It's bad when you keep holding the bag. Too much greed. Yeah, Square, it is, and you know I don't blame Icy Pro for not selling. You know it's a tough market out there, and you know whenever AMC was going crazy, it probably had him really thinking it would keep going up. But yeah, that was an insane couple weeks there. I couldn't believe he held that. Had me blown away. Actually, I was pretty surprised. But let's go ahead and see what we got moving on the CNBC news here. Amazon lost half its value this year. Of course it did. It's down a lot. Elon tells Tesla employees, don't be bothered by stock market craziness. Huh. Well, that's good. Family says there's a few Sony and Google phones floating out there. Yeah, you're right. You know, like, what is that? The Google Pixel? Google Pixel? Oh, yeah, Google Pixel. Okay. Yeah, these look kind of nice. Yeah, you're right. I've seen some of these. I've never seen any in person myself, but I've seen lots of commercials, so I'm sure that they're used quite a bit. Google Pixel. I used to like phones like this. This one actually looks like an iPhone. From the front and from the side. The back obviously looks totally different, though. It's around the same price as the iPhones. Pretty close. Little cheaper. Instead of $40 a month, you only got to pay $37, I guess. Pretty cool. What are the Sony phones? Sony phone. Let's see. Whoa. This one looks pretty cool. It's expensive, though. Wow. I like the way this phone looks. Looks like the iPhone Pro. Man, they really tried to make these phones look like iPhones, didn't they? Looks just like the iPhone. Like, look at that. From the side. Now the back is different. The camera setup, of course, isn't the same, but wow. Elon to the rescue, my savior, Nice says. Haha, yeah. Hopefully he comes in and saves the stock more today. We need some good statements. Come on, Elon, help us out here. Up to 83.77 now on Amazon. Wow. Live look at Warren Buffett dumping Apple. Or pumping Apple. That's funny, guys. When you guys get in the Discord later, check out what Gecko posted at 9:25 a.m. Central Time or 10:25 a.m. Eastern Time. It's pretty funny. These guys got some funny memes going here. Come on, Tesla. It's holding 121. It might make you happy today, Nice. Elon might make your day. Yeah, the front does look nice on the Sony. It looks pretty good. Very good. How's Sony stock? I haven't looked at their stock in forever. SNE. Doing well today. This year, though, of course, it's been rough, like everything. Sony stock's actually down quite a bit, guys. That's interesting. Making a good investment, starting to make me enticed to invest in them. Nice says Elon is the GOAT. There we go. Yeah, he's been on fire the past couple years. I know that the stock has been brutal this month and this year in general, but Man, Elon's still the GOAT. Yeah, he still does a lot of crazy stuff, and all the stuff with Mars and trying to make the world a better place and all that stuff. I think that'll pay off a lot in the long term. So I think Elon's doing good, even though he might be a bit of a nutcase. He's cool. Still, either way. Cool guy, but hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Pretty good live stream overall. You know, we got some good movement overall. A lot of nice breakouts back to the upside, which was amazing, especially from stocks like Amazon, Tesla, Apple. I mean, some of these bigger stocks are starting to move up in a great way. Look at Microsoft moving up. It looks fantastic. So great stuff, guys. Let's go. Great movement so far. And hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Thank you. Education. Nice. Mua Family. JG Marine. Like that name. Luke Goose. Love it. Krish. AP. B Square. Bill W. Jamie. Warren J. Appreciate all of you guys joining up. Seriously. Really, I do. SPY was amazing today, Education. It was awesome. And still looks awesome, actually. It's like right at 383, trying to still go up a little bit more. Looking good. But yeah, hey, I hope you guys have some good profits today. I hope you guys can walk away with some nice green accounts here. You know, I want to see some nice screenshots in that profits channel in Discord. If you guys get any nice profits, post them up. But hey, have a great day, guys. I appreciate you. Check out the video tonight. I think you guys will like it. Have a great rest of your day. And hey, one last trading day of 2023, which is tomorrow, guys. One final day. Let's end it green. Let's make that let's make the tax guy work extra hard here. Have a good one, guys. See you later.